It is great to have you back here at CoinSuri's channel. Is the reason XRP can't surpass 50 cents anything you've ever wondered about? When can you expect the value of your returns to begin to rise? This video may be of special interest to you if you happen to have XRP, thus, I ask that you should watch it to the very end. And everyone is puzzling over the lack of price appreciation in response to market shifts. When the market drops, does XRP stay the same? There isn't enough energy to get things done. On the other hand, XRP is active in a wide variety of other contexts. As I've mentioned in multiple videos, there are upcoming important dates in the SEC versus Ripple court action, starting on February 15th and lasting until April 29th. In the event that we end up involved in a court case. Now everyone is talking about the settlement. Are we ever going to see it? Are you aware of what's coming up next? There has been a lot of controversy about the financial infrastructure. Because we can't anticipate what the future holds, very few people around here are speculating on what might happen. In order to prove that the sale of XRP was unlawful, the SEC reportedly asked Ripple for financial records. We are at a standstill because Ripple is trying to prove that their institutional sales are exempt. However, MetaBridge, if the stakes are elevated, what does that mean? If Ripple were in charge, they likely wouldn't contemplate legal action at all. The SEC could not. But it seems like we've reached a stalemate at the moment. So that's the gist of it. Since everyone is waiting to see what occurs, the price of XRP isn't fluctuating for that reason either. After all, why risk a large sum of money on a project that might fail when you have 50 already? Even though I know many people won't be as optimistic as I am, I still think XRP will win in court. After the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs, I have no doubt that the SEC is exerting every effort to greenlight this one as well. How likely is it that they'll be successful? Not to mention that Chris Larson's wallet was just hacked. The criminals tried and failed to steal more than $112 million, which is great news. All of this emphasizes how important it is for investors to assess risk. Things also start to improve at this stage. This could be the spot where something changes. This is an Elliott wave chart, as I mentioned briefly during my live show. Even if I don't have a clue, hearing other people's thoughts on the matter could be illuminating. Asserts that the depreciation of digital assets is attributable to the Chris Larson wallet controversy and the subsequent legalization of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Right now, one XRP coin will set you back about 51 cents. In spite of everyone's gloom, XRP is showing some signs of life, and we know it's just going to go lower from here. It is possible that the token is hardening between 52 and 46. The market is expected to experience positive sentiment as a bullish Elliott wave pattern begins to form, according to technical analysts. On top of that, our attitude could be lifted by the optimistic news of a MACD cross. As a last bit of news, I'm excited to inform that today's sponsor, CFD Token, will be speaking and sharing their plans with us. Potentially, we might see a return to the 70-cent level, in addition to an Elliott wave and a bullish MACD. Jack the Ripper is correct in his assessment that the 69.6 retest level might be reached over the next few weeks, especially if we can keep the level above 53. Everything after this is speculation, but he claims we still have a ways to go before we get there. Nothing bad will come out of this caucus, because everyone loves accurate information, and Bitcoin is a global currency. Interest in current events is high. Remember that there is always a degree of danger in investing. It is essential to be aware of the current situation because there has only been negative news and problems, both with the token and the market overall. Also happening at the same time is an issue with Chris Larson's wallet. A lot is occurring with XRP right now. So much is transpiring behind the scenes that all we can do is wait for the finale. Then why is the price so off base? Curiously, there was a slight sell-off in the market not long ago. At 42,600, the price of 6 XRP coins, each worth 50 cents, tested the 5,006 level. Notably, we are maintaining this line since it offers really robust support, which is an intriguing development. We may observe this downward pressure intensify in the event that a breach occurs. Being below the 200-day exponential moving average, which we are currently well below, would satisfy our mild bearish bias. Investors could take heart from the fact that market volatility has been decreasing as a consequence of the Bollinger Band's tightening. Like I said previously, I have a good quantity of XRP and am completely optimistic about the coin. Listen, all it takes with XRP is time and, ultimately, patience. I like to add to my purse whenever I get the chance. A rise in DCA is something I'm rooting for, but if the opportunity presents itself, I will take it. Much is happening in the background. Knowing that there have been incredible collaborations, like as that medical cooperation and countless more, I think we will witness a very big spike when the taps open for XRP. In light of the present difficult situation, the following dates must be carefully remembered: March 29th, February 15th, and the outcome of the court's decision on those debts. At that time, things really begin to pick up steam. So far, we have just watched the outcome unfold. Nevertheless, we will make sure to stay updated on any and all changes. The most crucial aspect is keeping people informed about what is happening. The SEC is playing its cards very close to the vest, which, in my view, does not bode well for attracting investors' confidence. However, the outcome is still up in the air. Some interesting things are supposed to happen with XRP this year. The channel would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe and like it. Catch you later, farewell.